Did you know that real estate is one of the most popular ways to build wealth? Investing in real estate can be a powerful tool for creating wealth over time. From generating passive income to benefiting from tax advantages and long-term appreciation, real estate offers multiple avenues for financial growth. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a significant portfolio, real estate can play a key role in achieving your financial goals. Welcome to the Gold Wave Network, your ultimate destination for all things real estate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we provide the tips, strategies, and insights you need to ride the wave to financial success. Get ready to unlock the secrets of real estate investing and build your wealth with confidence. Let's dive in. Starting out in real estate can be daunting. Many beginners face challenges like a lack of knowledge about the market, insufficient funds to make significant investments, and fear of the risks involved. Understanding market trends, securing financing, and managing properties can seem overwhelming without the right guidance. These obstacles can prevent potential investors from taking the first step, leaving many wondering where to begin and how to navigate the complexities of real estate investing. Let's explore the different types of real estate investments and how to get started. Rental properties. These provide a steady stream of passive income. By renting out a property, you can earn monthly rental income while the property value appreciates over time. This approach is ideal for those looking for long-term investment and stable returns. Key considerations include tenant management, property maintenance, and understanding local rental markets. Here are some ways to get started in real estate. Quick and affordable route. Start by renting out a room or a portion of your home. Websites like Airbnb or Craigslist can help you find tenants quickly. Longer and more expensive route. Purchase a single-family home or multifamily property. This requires a down payment and mortgage approval, but it offers greater income potential and property appreciation. Fix and flip. This involves buying properties, renovating them, and selling them at a higher price. It can be highly profitable if you have a keen eye for undervalued properties and the skills to manage renovations. This strategy requires a good understanding of renovation costs, project management, and the ability to sell the property quickly in a competitive market. Quick and affordable route. Start with minor cosmetic fixes on a smaller property. Use personal savings or a small loan for initial funding. Longer and more expensive route. Purchase larger properties needing significant renovations. This route often requires higher capital investment and potentially securing private financing or partnerships. Real estate investment trusts. REITs. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, REITs allow you to invest in real estate without having to manage properties. They are traded like stocks and offer dividends to investors. REITs provide exposure to a diversified portfolio of real estate assets, including commercial properties, shopping centers, and apartment complexes, making it easier to invest in real estate with lower capital requirements. Quick and affordable route. Invest in publicly traded REITs through a brokerage account. You can start with as little as a few $100s. Longer and more expensive route. Consider private REITs or real estate crowdfunding platforms, which may require higher minimum investments but offer potentially higher returns. Find properties using online listings. Use websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, or local MLS listings to find properties. Networking. Attend local real estate meetups, join investment clubs, and connect with real estate agents. Auctions and foreclosures. Explore opportunities at property auctions or bank-owned properties for potential deals. On average, real estate agents in the U.S. make around $50,000 to over $100,000 per year, with top agents earning significantly more. Real estate investors. Earnings can vary widely based on strategy, experience, and market conditions. Successful investors can make anywhere from $70,000 to several hundreds of thousands. When investing in real estate, location is crucial. A property in a prime location can significantly increase in value. Proximity to amenities, good schools, and transport links can make a property more attractive to potential tenants or buyers. Additionally, keeping an eye on market trends helps you make informed decisions. Understanding the numbers, such as cash flow, return on investment, and cap rates, is essential for assessing the viability of an investment. Conducting thorough market research and financial analysis can make the difference between a successful investment and a costly mistake. Tools like property management software and financial calculators can aid in this process. To sum up, investing in real estate can offer numerous benefits, including passive income, tax advantages, and long-term appreciation. It's a tangible asset that can diversify your investment portfolio and build substantial wealth over time. By carefully selecting properties, understanding market dynamics, and managing your investments effectively, you can leverage real estate to achieve financial independence and security. Thanks for tuning in to the Gold Wave Network. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest real estate investment tips. Join our community by sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep riding the wave to financial success.